like science?
Yeah, it's really fun.
What is it about science that you like?
Just the trial and error, like seeing about stuff and like the cool materials that you can use.
Because it's fun.
When I say the word science, how do you feel?
I just feel nervous and scared because I don't have much knowledge about it.
It just brings back memories of being at school and it being very, very boring and tedious.
Gosh, science wasn't fun in those days. It was pure theory.
I'm really scared someone will ask me a question because I probably won't know the answer.
I think it sort of turned my enthusiasm and love of science off.
Does your mum know how to do science?
No.
Why not?
Because she doesn't know how.
Do you think your mum would like to do science at home with you?
No.
Why not?
She's kind of too scared to do it.
And why would you like to do science at home with your mum?
So I can find out more about science.
Because it might help me at school and make me have some more time with my mum.
If your child said they wanted to do science with you, what would you say?
I would just say wait for your father to come home.
It's time to go.
A little bit apprehensive, I think.
Science is everywhere, and it's for everyone. However, for many of us, the word science brings back negative memories from school. The thing is, you can explore science at home. It's as simple as following a recipe. All you need are ingredients that you already have in your kitchen cupboards at home. So be brave, be curious, and help your children to see that science is everywhere. All of us are scientists, and sometimes you even get to eat the results.
The Kitchen Science Cookbook. 50 science recipes you can do at home with ingredients you already have in the cupboard.